What's the date today? Today is 24. Asta, answer your attendance.
Yes, ma'am.
Asta, Abhinav, Aishwarya,
Present, ma'am.
Amresh,
Yes, ma'am.
Anu,
Present, ma'am.
Arbaz, Arjun,
Present, ma'am.
Ashok,
Present, ma'am.
Benita,
Present, ma'am.
Bhargavi,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavisha,
Present, ma'am.
Chaitra,
Present, ma'am.
Devmalai, Devmalai, is 24. Diksha,
Present, ma'am.
Deepika,
Present, ma'am.
Deepika M,
Present, ma'am.
Murli Krishna,
Present,
Gangubai,
ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Gudia,
Present, ma'am.
Arshit, Junjar, Kavya,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Kishore, 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 Lata,
Yes, ma'am.
Manisha,
Present, ma'am.
Manjunath,
Yes, ma'am.
Nayana, Nilanjan, Nishant,
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra,
Present, ma'am.
Maithili,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka,
Present, ma'am.
Pavan,
Present, ma'am.
Akash,
Present, ma'am.
Rajeshwari,
Present, ma'am.
Rakesh,
Yes, ma'am.
Ramya,
Present, ma'am.
Rashmi,
Present, ma'am.
Ravi.
Yes,
Sir, sir, last lab absent, sir. Ravi, sir, last lab absent, sir. Rizwan,
Present, ma'am.
Vishal,
Present, ma'am.
Savita, Shruti,
Present, ma'am.
Sneha,
Yes, ma'am.
Spurti, Srinidhi.
Present, ma'am.
Last lab, why you were absent, sir? Srinidhi.
Personal problem.
Okay. Srinivas,
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, Vishal
Sunil.
present, ma'am.
Vishal marked. Savita.
Okay.
I didn't get answer for Savita. Sunil,
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi,
Present, ma'am.
Vinny,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Abhinav Gupta, President, ma'am. USN 2. VY USN 2.
why join late, sir?
Ma'am, network issues.
Kishore, Nayana, Nilanjan, Savita, okay. So in the last class, how many programs madam has taught you? How many program is over?
2, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Someone responded. Okay, so now Vinny is there. Vinny. Vinny. Whether you people will, yeah. Can you please share your, yeah, okay. Can you please share your screen and show me the first program execution?
Ma'am, I didn't execute it.
Why, madam? Why? That's what I
Ma'am, I didn't
messaged
get
you.
the output. I tried.
No, madam, you cannot, because the one which I have given, if you do it exactly, you have to definitely get the program output, because I have executed and showed you also. So I am marking that the assignment for the first lab not done by Vinny. Can I write like that? Shall I reduce your marks for the your assignment, lab assignment? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Then,
No,
madam. Did I not give you the time, madam? I have given, right? So last Saturday only I informed you people. Today you have to show me the first program execution. Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
I am marking your assignment 1 for lab as 0. Okay. Asta is there? Asta? What happened to Asta? She was there, right? She has answered the attendance. Abhinav? Asta marks 0, Abhinav marks 0. Aishwarya?
Ma'am, still I have to execute, ma'am.
You show me what you have done. Whatever it is, whether you have just created, whether you have inserted, you just show me what you have done.
In next lab, I will show, ma'am.
But today you have to show me, madam. So I have to check for all 50 students. How much time I will get, madam? Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, show your execution of the first program, sir.
Ma'am, I have not done, ma'am.
Why, sir?
Ma'am, laptop is not working.
Sir, what should I do, sir?
Ma'am, I have to.
I
Ma'am, I
cannot-
have give the.
Yes,
Ma'am,
sir.
I have give the repair. Ma'am, to repairing shop, ma'am, laptop. They give me after 2 days, ma'am, laptop.
So since from long time you have to get it done, no, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it should be broke at Thursday.
Amresh,
Yes, ma'am.
can you please share your?
Not executed, ma'am.
Why, sir? Why,
Next
sir?
lab I will show, ma'am.
No, sir. Everyone
laptop
giving this. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ನಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ನಾವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ನೀವ್ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ, ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರು ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ, ಎರಡು ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆನೂ ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿ? ನಾನು 0 ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅನು?
I did, ma'am.
Okay, good. Can you just show me the programs? Share ಮಾಡಿ. I will not take too much time. You just show me your outputs, that's all. Others, whoever is there, yeah.
Ma'am, have taken snapshots. Shall I show that, ma'am?
Yeah, that is also okay. But I want details that you have done.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Others, please be ready. The people I just don't. I want to see your SQL software compiler with all these details. First program details I want to see. So Anu is done. She'll be showing. Arbaz.
Yes, ma'am.
Execution, sir. First program execution, sir. Sir, first program. Arbaz, sir. Not done. Done. Arjun.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Execution ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್.
Okay, no problem. Anyway, I don't mind even in your mobile sharing also.
Okay ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 1 minute ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Okay. Ashok.
Ma'am, I'm not done, ma'am.
ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? ಯಾರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ನಿಮ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ನಿಮ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ.
Next lab ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ma'am.
ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೋ ಮಿ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 1 minute ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಬೆನಿಟಾ?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'm not that bad, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why, madam? You
Sure,
have
the
to
next.
do. No, you have to do, madam. We are trying all this for you people only, no? Will I gain knowledge from executing the programs or doing 2 times, 3 times? No. You people have to learn. Huh? Bhargavi? Bhargavi? Done?
Hello, ma'am.
One at a time. Bhargavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Ma'am, I'm also not done, ma'am.
Why, madam?
Ma'am, laptop problem.
ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 6 ತಿಂಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಇವಾಗ ಹಾಗಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಸೇ ದಿಸ್ ನೌ.
Ma'am, ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ನನಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸೋದ್ ಬೇಡ, ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
Yes, ma'am.
ಚೈತ್ರ?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Bhavisha, ma'am.
Okay, ಭವಿಷ್ಯ?
I'm done, ma'am.
Good.
Shall I show or shall I present the screen?
Yeah, sure, ಭವಿಷ್ಯ.
Ma'am, I'll show the screenshots of that.
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, can you see, ma'am?
Yeah. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಝೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
This is last one, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, can you see, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. See, this time I'm accepting the screenshots also, but next time I will not accept these things. Okay. So I want each one of you to execute and show.
Okay, ma'am.
Because this is the first time I'm accepting your screenshots, but next lab I will not accept. Yes.
Ma'am, shall I show, ma'am?
Yeah. Who is that? Anu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Anu. Make it fast. ಬೇಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, this time I will accept your screenshots, but by next lab, I'm sorry, I'll not even accept the screenshots. I want you people to execute and show. Okay? ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅನು? ಈ ಸರಿ accept ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, but next time ಇಂದ ನಾನು accept ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ shall I show?
Yeah. Yes, ಆಯ್ತು ಅನು. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅನು ಶೋಡ್ ಅಂತ. Okay, ಅರ್ಜುನ್. ತೋರ್ಸಪ್ಪ. ಅನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಥರ್ದು.
Okay.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay. So Arjun has done both the programs 1 and 2 1 plus 1 ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ. Okay. But ನನಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀನು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ 2 ನ ನನಗೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ. I have to see execution.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Your laptop ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
But this is the first time, so I am accepting screenshots. By next time, sorry.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ಚೈತ್ರ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಹಾ.
Ma'am, done. I have screenshots.
Yeah, show the screenshots.
Can you see, ma'am?
Yeah. Okay. Chaitra, this time I'm accepting screenshot, but by next time I will not accept. Okay. So you at least make it ready with the laptops. ಮತ್ತೆ 1 week time ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. Everyone, people who are giving reasons now, please next lab, I will not see your screenshot. I want execution to be shown. Okay. Okay, Devmalai.
Okay.
Devmalai, absent. Diksha. ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಶೋ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ? ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೀಪಿಕಾ.
Yes, ma'am. I did, ma'am.
ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇಮ್ಮ.
Yes, ma'am.
ದೀಪಿಕಾ ಎಲ್ಜಿ ತಾನೆ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಡ್. ನೀನ್ ತೋರ್ಸಮ್ಮ.
Ma'am, can you see?
ಯಾ.
This is first program, ma'am.
Deepika, this time I will accept screenshot, but next time, sorry. Okay? I want you people to execute and show with your laptops.
Ma'am, second program also executed, ma'am.
ನನಗೊಂದು ಸಾಕು ಇವಾಗ. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದೇ, ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್, ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ. ದೀಪಿಕಾ?
Yes, ma'am. I did, ma'am.
MB.
Yes, ma'am.
ತೋರ್ಸಮ್ಮ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ? ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಮೊಬೈಲ್.
I didn't connected with laptop, ma'am. So.
ಓಕೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ವೈಫೈ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ?
Ma'am, net ಇಲ್ಲ, ma'am.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Next time I will, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ ಸರಿಪ್ಪ, ಆಯ್ತು.
Thank you.
ಮುರಳಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಏನಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ 2 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಗಂಗೂಬಾಯಿ?
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್.
ಯಾಕಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ರು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ನನಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಇವತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ?
ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇದು ಆಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಯಾರನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ, ಯಾರನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಗಂಗೂಬಾಯಿ, ಸಾರಿ ಗುಡಿಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
You did. Yeah, please show me the programs.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it's showing.
Yeah. You are showing me the screenshots?
Yes, ma'am.
But next time, madam, I will not accept. But this is the first time, so I will accept. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Next time, I want you to execute and show.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. First table. Okay. Harshit?
Next class I'll show.
Chunjar?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ತೋರ್ಸಪ್ಪ. ಗುಡ್. Very good, man. Very good. Very good. Very good. I want, we are doing for you people to gain knowledge. So, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಓಕೆ.
ಡೇಟಾ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಓಕೆಪ್ಪ, ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಸೂಪರ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನಿನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡು, ಗುಡ್. ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಪ್ಪ, ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹೇಳಿ? ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಗುಡ್, ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಗುಡ್. ಕಾವ್ಯ?
Yes, ma'am.
ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀಯಮ್ಮ?
Yes, ma'am, I'll show, ma'am.
ಜುಂಜಾರ್, ಇದು ಆಡಿಯೋ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅವಳ್ದು.
Ma'am, I have a screenshot, ma'am.
ಈ ಸರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಸಾರಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಅವ್ನು ಹೆಂಗ ಜುಂಜಾರ್ ತೋರ್ಸಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ, ನಂಗೆ ಆತರ ಎಲ್ರೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ SQL ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ನಾನು ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ.
Second program, ma'am.
ಯಾಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬೇಕು ನನ್ಗೆ? ನಾನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಹೇಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿರೋದು. ಆಯ್ತು.
First program, ma'am.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ.
I have did both, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ.
Okay, ma'am.
ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟಾ? ಎರಡು ತೋರಿಸ್ದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಕಿಶೋರ್?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಕಿಶೋರ್ you'll show next lab. ಕಾವ್ಯ ಕಿಶೋರ್ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಲತಾ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್?
Yes, ma'am.
ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀಯಮ್ಮ?
Hi, yes, ma'am.
ತೋರ್ಸಮ್ಮ.
Yes, ma'am.
ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಮ್ಮ? ಮನೀಷಾ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಮ್ಮ?
ಲತಾ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ ಇರಪ್ಪ. ಲತಾ ನಿಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ತೋರ್ಸ್ಲಾ?
ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ತೋರ್ಸಪ್ಪ. ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ತೋರ್ಸ್ಬಿಡು, ನಿಂದು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡು.
ಓಕೆ. ನಾನು ಫುಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಂದೇ ಓನ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೇನ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ವೆರೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ.
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಇದು ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಾಗಿದೆ, ಬೇರೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ,
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್
ಇಲ್ಲಾಗಿದೆ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಗುಡ್. ಹಾಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ.
ಸರಿಪ್ಪ, ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 5 ಕ್ವೇರೀಸ್? ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವೇರೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? 8 ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆಪ್ಪ, ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಸರಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅದು ಇದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೇಫರ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ನಯನ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀಲಾಂಜನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಶಾಂತ್?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಈ ತರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಪ್ಪ? ಪವಿತ್ರ?
Yes, ma'am, I'm showing, ma'am.
Yeah.
Screenshot I'll show, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. This time I'll allow Pavitra, but next time you please show me the...
Yeah, ma'am, I have done, but it is not saved, ma'am. That's it.
Okay.
Both programs I have done, ma'am.
Okay. Program save ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ you use a commit command. Commit command ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಮಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅವಾಗ ಕಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ, ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, ma'am. 2 programs I have done, ma'am. Both.
But I just want to see one now. Next time. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next time I will see one more. Okay. Good, Pavitra. Good. But if you would have showed me SQL,
yeah, ma'am, I have tried, but it's not saved, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Aitama. Maithili?
Yes, ma'am.
ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'll show screenshots.
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ. But next time ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? Because this first time I'm accepting you. Next time I'll not allow the screenshots. I want everyone to show execution of the SQL. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇಬ್ರಿಬ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಲತಾ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. Who is showing now? One has to show. Who is showing? Either Lata or Maithili. Anyone. One by one.
Ma'am, is she showing now? Lata.
Yeah, no. You show. You show Maithili.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, these are the tables.
ಮೈಥಿಲಿ ನೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಿ. ಲತಾ ಮಾಡೋಷ್ರೊಳಗೆ ನಿಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಶೇರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಹಾ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ.
Ma'am, these are the tables.
Okay, good.
These are the queries, ma'am.
Okay. 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 But next lab, I will not do like this. I will still do in depth. Okay.
Yes,
I want
ma'am,
each
even
one
I got the same problem. I didn't do commit, so only.
Okay. So
I took screenshots.
I'm asking everyone to use it commit command once you execute everything. Adu save agutte. Okay. And you
Ma'am,
keep
then queries again we need to type, right?
Yes. Queries, what you have to do is you type it in some editor like Notepad or Word and keep it there. Save there everything in Notepad or Word. Everything, it is better always for you to keep in a Notepad or a Word, everything, whatever you have typed, either create, insert, everything. ಸೊ ಕಮಿಟ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಮಿಥಿಲಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲತಾ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀಯಮ್ಮ? ಬೇಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ನನ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ.
Can you see, ma'am?
Yeah, Lata.
You insert the value, ma'am.
Okay, Lata, ee sari I will see screenshots, okay, but next time I don't want like this, okay? I want you people to execute and show.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Priyanka?
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Ma'am, screenshot, ma'am.
Okay. But next time, no. This time, okay, but next time, sorry.
Okay, ma'am. Can I present, ma'am?
Yeah. Lata, you can go for mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Priyanka, share madam.
One ನಿಮಿಷ. Ma'am, I showed, ma'am.
ನಂಗೇನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪವನ್? ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ.
Okay.
But next time I will not accept like this. I want you people to execute, show.
Okay.
Okay. ಪವನ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಪವನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ ಏನು? ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯುವರ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್. ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ, ಸಾರಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಕಾ, ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. ಪವನ್ 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 0. Akash?
Yes, ma'am.
Will show?
Yes, ma'am, I'll show.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's not allowing me to show.
Why, sir? No one is presenting. You can present, sir.
Okay. Uh,
Yes.
okay, this is my screen. Okay. Ma'am, I have added all these. I have here, ma'am. I have I have SQL as well as I have taken screenshot whatever I have added. Can you see, ma'am, my screen?
Yeah. I can see.
I have added, ma'am. In book value, I couldn't add, ma'am. It's showing error. I'll show you that also. This is my SQL, ma'am.
Why it is showing error?
I'm trying to fix it, ma'am, from yesterday.
Yes, sir. I'll come back to you, but you try to execute and see what we can do. Why it is not? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Rajeshwari,
Yes, ma'am.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ತೋರ್ಸಮ್ಮ.
One second.
Akash, you can go for mute.
One second.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ನೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಪವನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ? ಕರ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಪವನ್ ಅಂತ. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ ಏನು?
ma'am. I'll show.
You'll show. Okay. ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿದಾಗ್ಲಿ. Okay, Rajeshwari, you show.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ಅದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. One second, ma'am.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಲೇಟರ್. ಪವನ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಶೋ. ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹೋಗಮ್ಮ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ. ಪವನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ನೀನ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ.
ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
ಹಾ, ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ. One second, Pawan. Rajeshwari is showing. Let her complete. ಇಬ್ಬಿಬ್ರು ತೋರ್ಸ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಪವನ್ ಒಂದೇ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಅವಳು ಪಾಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ತೋರ್ಸಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪವನ್, ನೀನ್ ಅಷ್ಟ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಯಾ? ಇವಾಗ
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಯಾವ್ದಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಡ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, PDF.
ಅದೇ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ, ಸರಿ. ಪವನ್, ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ.
Ma'am, can you able to see?
Yes, Pawan.
These are the tables, ma'am. Branch, student.
Okay.
The execution, ma'am, here.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, first I created using only branch, like without adding extra name. Branch 1, branch 2, like that.
Okay.
But it's showing error, ma'am, for third table, fourth table.
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀಯಾ? ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ. Okay, good.
Ma'am, same error for me too, ma'am.
That's what, you just try where you have, because sometimes what happens is foreign key and references keys will be there. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್. ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೀ ಇರೋ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವೇರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ವೇರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ MCA ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೊ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ MCA ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ MCA ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸಸ್ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ. able to hear, able to understand what I'm saying?
Ma'am, I type in Notepad and I do it, ma'am. Like I paste it from Notepad.
Yeah, that is good. That is good. What you are doing is really good. But what you do is always you take care that there should not be any spaces when you are inserting, and capital letters, if you are inserting in the capital letter, then fetching also you give capital letter. Queries, in queries also you have to give capital letter only. So in first query you have MCA, right? Second semester MCA. So there it should match with what is there in your table. Whatever you inserted in the table, no, that should match with your query. Suppose if you give in there capital MCA, in query also you change it. Maybe I would have given small MCA, but you can change, right? Insertion and query, you have to match all those things and see. Okay, getting everyone? Okay, next one. Rakesh, try that. Definitely you should get, because I have executed, then only I have given you all the details. After executing only I have given. So that's the reason whatever I have formats, everything you please follow same thing, definitely you'll get. Rakesh?
Next lab I will show, ma'am.
Yakappa.
Ma'am, I did it, but in every table the data will be saved, ma'am. But except borrow table, ma'am. Borrow table.
See properly, then do it in the next lab.
When we close the window, it will erase, ma'am, data in a borrow table.
That's what you have to use a commit command. Whenever you are using commit and revoke are the commands where you give grants to the database tables. Commit means save. Save.
Once you show, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll show. Ramya?
Yes, ma'am, I did, ma'am.
Yeah, show.
Ma'am, screenshot, ma'am. I didn't save.
Okay. Screenshot this time I'm accepting, but not next times. Okay.
Ma'am, is it visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
I have created the descriptions and insert the second one.
Okay, good. Good, Ramya.
Thank you.
But you have to, next lab, you have to show me in SQL.
Ma'am, third query I didn't get, ma'am.
Third query?
Sorry.
Yake?
It is showing some...
No, you check once again. See, what you have to do is you cross with your data. Whatever query is asking, whether the data is there in the query tables or not. First you see, then that's the reason whatever I have given, type it like that only. Small letter, capital letter, whatever it is, you type it like that only. Means insertion. Definitely then your query should work.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, try and do it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ravi, Rashmi?
Yeah, ma'am, I did.
Good.
Ma'am, is it showing?
Yeah, it is showing.
Ma'am, I did. I'm showing the screenshots.
Okay.
Ma'am, for me also third query is not getting, ma'am.
ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಏನ್ ನಾನು ಕಳ್ಸಿರೋದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿನೇ ತೋರಿಸಿರೋದು.
Yes, ma'am.
ಆಯ್ತು. Ravi?
Ma'am, I'm showing this table.
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ರಶ್ಮಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
Yeah, ma'am, 1 second. I had done tables and all, ma'am.
Very good.
But good. I'm not able to connect here.
Okay.
Network issues, ma'am.
Okay, fine. See, I don't want you people at least mobile ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, Ravi?
Ma'am, next level I will show you.
Rizwan?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll show?
I have done off, ma'am, but during inserting, I am getting errors, ma'am.
Why, sir? Why, sir? That's what you have to check when you're creating. When you're creating, see, whatever I have mailed you, you exactly do it like that. Definitely you should get. Try again, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Vishal?
Ma'am, I'll show you in the next lab, ma'am.
Why, sir?
Ma'am, my laptop has got repaired since 1 week, ma'am. I'm not supposed to go out also.
Sir, now everyone is going, sir. We can see your higher semester, 6th semester students, they have come from Belgaum to Bangalore, sir.
No, ma'am,
sir.
I'm under home quarantine. I'm just telling in that way. Until Saturday,
Okay.
I shouldn't go out.
Okay,
I
fine,
will
sir.
come. Yeah.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Fine, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. Carry on, Vishal. But I want you people at least try. Okay, take
By
your
next
own
week,
time.
probably I'll show you. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Fine. Savita.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಬಂದಿದ್ ಲೇಟು, ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ? ಸವಿತಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶ್ರುತಿ.
Ma'am, I'll show.
Will show now?
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
ಈ ಸರಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
Ma'am, can you see, ma'am?
Yeah. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಶ್ರುತಿ. Shruti, this time I will accept screenshot, but next time, sorry. I want you people to show, execute and show.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Sneha?
No, ma'am.
Why, madam? Okay, Spurti?
Ma'am, I did. I mean, the starting part I did, I can show you there. But the thing is, I'm getting error. And the next day when I come and see the program, I didn't save it, ma'am. But today you told, right, the commit command. I didn't check with that. Yeah, I have to do that. Otherwise, I have done, ma'am. Like half a part I have did. Yeah.
No, but you have to show, no, Spurti, how others have done everything. You have to show me. Then only I feel. Okay. So now how should I consider you, whether you have done, not done?
Ma'am, I have two screenshots which I have did half a program. I can show that 2 screenshots. But the thing is, I feel like to show full, ma'am, but it's error. But I didn't save it, which I would like to show in SQL, but it's not happening. Yeah.
Okay, Srinidhi.
I have to use commit command.
I will join next class, ma'am.
Srinivas.
Yes, ma'am. I'll show you, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Screenshots or execution?
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yeah, it is visible, but you're showing me screenshots, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there's a power outage. That's why.
Okay, this time I will allow, sir, but next time, see, I will not take too much time for your execution also, not more than 5 minutes. I just want you people to execute in SQL and show. Okay, next time, okay. This time I'm accepting, but next time, please.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, Srinivas.
Yes,
So this time I have given you marks, but next time, please. Okay, good.
Sure. Ma'am, third one, I got some errors.
That's what you properly check reference keys and primary keys, then it should definitely work. Whatever programs I have given, all I have executed in my laptop, I showed you, then only I have mailed you. So then it should work, right? In my laptop, if it is working, means definitely even in your laptops, it should work.
Actually, we copied that command only, ma'am, as it is, but it's not coming.
What may be the problem is insertion, you would have done somewhere mistake, or primary keys and foreign keys, there may be some mistakes.
Table name, ma'am. They have not table name.
All those you have to take care, and even varchar, data types. If you have given varchar, it should be varchar, number, date, everything you have to take care. Small things I can't tell you. But if you are physically here, I would have executed your programs in the lab and showed. But now it is inevitable, right? So people have to try. Okay, Srinivas, fine.
Thank you.
Sunil,
Yes, ma'am.
will
Ma'am,
show?
I'll present. Yeah, ma'am. Screenshot, ma'am.
Yeah. This time I'm taking Sunil, but next time, sorry. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone, not only person, a whole class. Whole class. This is the first lab, so I'm able to see their screenshot, but not next time. Okay. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone, what you do is you keep, once you execute like this only, you keep your screenshots. Why? Because we don't know still the situation. So we may ask you the soft copies, or it depends upon the situation, we may change. Or you people have to sit and write also. It is not still fixed anything. So you keep, once you do your program, save it in a Word.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone, whole class I'm saying. For whole class, once you execute the programs, you save them and keep it in the Word as a screenshots only. Complete program. Okay? Okay. Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am. I will show screenshots, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Vaishnavi, fast. ಬೇಗ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು.
Ma'am, it is not allowing me to share, ma'am.
ಯಾಕೆ? ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈಗ? ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. ನೀವು ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, ma'am.
ನೋಡು ಶೇರ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಬಂತು, ಈಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Ma'am, I will show screenshots, ma'am.
Yeah.
This, ma'am. This is first.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ಗೆ, ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Branch, ma'am. This is branch 1.
ವೈಷ್ಣವಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್.
Ma'am, I shared, ma'am.
ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀಯಲ್ವಾ? ಇವಾಗ ನೀನು ಅದನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀಯಲ್ವಾ, ಓಪನ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್.
Okay, ma'am.
ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ವರ್ಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರ್ಸು ನನಗೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಶೇರಿಂಗು? ವರ್ಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡು.
Now.
ಈಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Now, ma'am.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
This is branch, ma'am. This is branch 1.
Okay.
Next is student, author.
Okay.
Next book, borrow, ma'am. These are inserted tables, inserted values.
Okay.
These are.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಗುಡ್. ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ you have to execute and show.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, close it. Okay, we'll take for a break and come back by 10:50. Same link. You come back, join for the same link.
Okay, ma'am.